Hi guys, my name is Irfan from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down Nas100 and EURUSD like charts for you, because so many interesting things happen literally today during New York session, before and after that. So it's very interesting. And as you can see, I'm on Nas100 5-minute time frame. I'm super excited about that, guys. That's why I just got straight into it. So Nas100, this is exactly where I woke up at. So this is 8 in the morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 6 a.m. in my time, and New York stock exchange market opens at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. So when I woke up, I saw this plus this high probability order block, or I would say a high probability demand zone, which is formed right here. So why is it a high probability demand zone? Just because if you pay attention to the last bearish candle after this huge spike, you'll notice that there is a gap in between. So it means that between this candle and this zone, there is a gap, which makes it a high probability order block. If you don't know what the definition of high probability order block is, guys, I highly recommend you to watch my other videos, because I always talk about them, or watch my first video on my channel that is a detailed explanation of this strategy, which is absolutely crazy. So plus we had this high probability supply zone as well. But you know, the market in general, like in overall, we have a bullish trend because we have multiple breakout structures towards upside, and now in this area is trying to create lower lows, lower highs, but it doesn't mean that the price is trying to be bearish, because the overall trend is bullish. So even if I change my time frame to 15-minute time frame, I can see this right here. But the thing is that we also have another high probability order block on a 15-minute time frame exactly below that. So that's, in my opinion, not good, because it kind of make you it make you hesitant to take your trade here if it gives you a really good bullish candle. The reason is that we have exactly another demand zone below that, which is a high probability demand zone. So if it gives you a really good momentum, like bullish momentum around this area, you will still be hesitant to take that trade. I personally will be hesitant. So, and if I want to show you what happens, was this. Look at this, guys. It's a beautiful candle. I personally didn't trade that because I was trading EURUSD, but I was watching it and it was beautiful. And look what happened, guys. And it was so close to New York session opening, and this is exactly what happened. It's crazy. And look at this. Let me show you something else. As the prices started to go up, it started creating another high probability order block, which is this one. So this one is already tapped into. It never got into this level, so it means that this order block already got respected. So you know, still I was kind of hesitant because we still had this high probability order block here. So this one is invalid because it actually made the move, and it made another high probability demand zone, which is right here. So again, we can wait for the price to tap into this level, and then we can take another buy position. So look at this, guys. It's beautiful. Even if you take your trade somewhere around here, in my opinion, you need to put it below the box, or you can just put it below the candle, but it's very riskier if you put it below the candle, and this is exactly what happens. That's what I'm saying. You need to put it below the box, not below the candle. Your risk reward ratio is going to be lower, but it's worth it. And look what happened. It literally blasts through this demand zone, supply zone, and boom, look at this, guys. And it's just the beginning, guys. It respected this order block. It never tapped into this one, and now it just keep going up. Look at this. It's crazy. It's crazy. And again, after creating this order block, it created another one, which is this one. Now this one is invalid. It literally tapped into this level and then gave us a momentum. And if you take your position here, put your stop loss here, you could have literally, you know, got a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trade, which was absolutely crazy. And if you wanted to leave a runner, look what would happen, guys. It was crazy. It was a really good trade for Nas100, guys. I really like it. There were multiple opportunities for trading Nas100. As I said, this order block right here, this order block right here, and this order block right here, every single one of them got respected. So unfortunately I didn't trade that, but if you did, lucky you, it was a really good setup. Now I want to show you what happened with EURUSD. GBPUSD was really bullish. It didn't do any correction today, so I couldn't find any, high probability order blocks to actually get into a trade. So I can show you what happened right here. Okay, so this is EURUSD, guys. This is EURUSD, and then I'm going to. Okay, so we have this high probability demand zone that I already marked up that is still not tapped into. This high probability demand zone, and the reason is, it's really obvious. If it's a bullish trend, you need to find the last bearish candle, which is a red candle, and then see where the hugest spike happens. So in this case, we had this last bearish candle and then hugest spike towards upside, and the next candle never tapped into this level. So that's why there's a gap in between. So we can say it's a high probability order block right here. And the second thing is that I woke up around this area, and then I don't know why and the reason is that we have this high probability right here, this break of a structure here, this break of a structure here, and the overall trend is kind of bullish because I'm on a 5-minute time frame. But if I switch my time frame to 15-minute time frame, you'll see that we have lower lows and lower highs. So the trend of the market is bearish. But after this massive break of a structure and after this huge spike towards upside, then I changed my bias towards buying the market. And also on 15-minute time frame, we have this high probability order block. That's why I identified my zone. So it's zone to zone, right? So I was waiting for a price to tap into this level, to the demand zone, and also at the same time we had this high probability order block on a 15-minute time frame, which is a high probability supply zone. Look at this huge drop, and the next candle never tapped into this level, so there's a gap in between, and then after that it drops significantly. So I was also waiting for the price to tap into this level, but it didn't, and it just kept going down in my I think so. So in this case, it gave us this momentum right here, which was really good. Look at this, and then I think it started to drop, which was really good. I don't think that it never did actually tapped into this level. I'm not sure. Let's see what happened, but it was a beautiful trade if you wanted to take it. Like I wasn't behind the charts. In this case, I took my trade here, but which was a support and resistance level. Wasn't a good one. I wouldn't recommend it. That would be really high quality, but unfortunately I wasn't behind the charts, and you could have literally taken it from here, and then you could have put your TP right here. So 1-to-1 trade is beautiful. Or if you wanted to leave a runner, it would be almost 1-to-2, but I'm not sure that it actually came all the way to this area. I'm not sure, but I think it didn't. Let me just play it to see what happened. Yeah, it was a good trade. If you take it from here even to here, that would be amazing. So I think it didn't quite tap into, it didn't actually tap into it. Tapped into this level twice, which is not working anymore. But this level, this zone was a really good one. High probability order block in a 15-minute time frame, and then we could see the confirmation in 5-minute time frame just because of these candle structures here. And then you could have literally taken a really good trade all the way to the lowest area, which is this one. We had a liquidity grab, and then boom, we are done for the day. And if you wanted to risk a little bit more, you could have taken it from here, but instead of putting your stop loss above the level, you could have put it above the candle, but it's riskier. And then you could put it here, so it's a 1-to-2 risk ratio trade. So that's awesome, guys, for Nas100 and GBPUSD. It was beautiful, very textbook setup, and I hope that we can see this kind of setups every single day. And also for Gold Incubator, guys, in the past 24 hours we made over 33% in overall, not in the past 24 hours, but it's almost making 1% a day. Sometimes more than that, because we installed this account in March 7th and today's date is March 22nd. So almost 2-3 weeks, it's 33.61% on our brand new account, and all the history right here is available. Just feel free to check them out if you want to. And by the way, we updated our news filter indicator, and it looks something like this from now on, which it actually looks good. It looks really cool. And let me show you the trades that it took in the past 24 hours. Today's date is 22nd, and these are all the trades that it actually opened and closed in profits. So guys, if you want to try Gold Incubator for 7 days for free, you can check out smartyincubator.com. grab your license, and then send us an email, your account number, and then we'll manually activate your account. So if you have any question, you know what to do. Drop your comment here. I'll personally get back to you. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.